Hi, Dave Ligori, Bay Area Pervious Concrete. We're here in Daly City, California, an apartment complex that was built about 3.5 years ago. And we installed a sidewalk here along a busy street. And we're going to take a look at this and see how it's doing after all this time. So let's go ahead and take a close look here. And that looks really nice. And we'll go ahead and pour some water on. And that goes through quite easily. That looks great. Not only does it look great, but after 3.5 years, it still infiltrates at a very, very high rate, more or less as fast as it did when we first installed it. So if you're thinking about doing a sidewalk in Pervious concrete, this is a great example of how well it works and how good it looks. By all means, give us a call. When you're ready, we'll help you design and install your sidewalk for your city. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.